In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 per day using CPA marketing. I'm going to show you a tool that you can use it for free and to promote all CPA links on all the social media without getting blocked. So watch the video until the end for the full tutorials and the tool that you can use it today to make money online worldwide. So subscribe, like and share this video. If you really like this video, click the like button on the bottom of the video. First, what you have to do is you have to go to any CPA network like Max Bounty, CPA Lead to find an offer that you want to promote. In this case, I found an offer on Max Bounty to promote a free amazing gift card offer. So if I promote this offer, I'm able to make $2.50 as a commission. So you can see per sign up I'm gonna make $2.50 50 cents. So if you're able to sign up 50 people per day, I'm able to make more than $100 per day on that. So you can see here, one thing you have to consider when you're promoting the CPS offers, what kind of traffic is allowed and which country they allow. So otherwise, if you promote an offer that people from wrong country sign up, you're not going to make any money. So in this offer is allowed to promote on social media, so we don't have to worry about that. And the second is only allowing United States sign up. So when you are promoting this offer, you have to mention that this only allow for USA people or USA residents, so they only people from that country sign up for that, and you can make commission from it. Now this is the important part is done. So what you have to do, if you are in Max Bounty, you have to click this one called build a tracking link, click social media, click trolling, and this is your link that you want to promote. So if you copy that and paste the link, and this is the offer that I want to promote, amazing gift card, $500 amazing gift card, free gift card, right? So they have to fill this form. I'm gonna make money from it. Now, so how can you promote this offer on social media without getting blocked? So you need to use two tools for that. First, what you have to do, you need to create a free Instagram account. We are not going to use Instagram to make money. We're going to use Instagram is one of the way, but there's other ways. But in order for this free tool to work, you need to sign up for free account with Instagram. So this is the account I created, and I uploaded 3 posted on here. You can upload these pictures. You can obtain that from Google here. So you can search for free amazing gift card images. You copy that and put it on Canva, and then you can download it and upload it to Instagram. Again, if you have a mobile phone, you can download Canva app, and that speed up the entire process, so you don't have to worry about installing Instagram app on your laptop or desktop, guys. So after you install that, this is your Instagram account gonna look like. Now what you have to do, I'm going to show you the free tools where you can create a short link for multiple offers. So you can use that tools to promote a multiple CPS offers without getting blocked from any social media. So before that, like this video, guys. We are going to reveal that tools now. The tool is called Latercom. Latercom is a tool that allow you to manage your multiple social media accounts that you can use this tool to schedule post on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook and other social media. But we are not going to use that. We're going to use one section called link in bio tools from Later. Again, Later.com is completely free. Now this link in bio tools is completely different from other tools. I can explain you why. So here you have to click this one, link in bio tools, and this is going to take this, it's going to look like this one. What you have to do, you have to click this one called setup, and it will take you to this page. Here I'm gonna see the button as a visit website or click here, something like that. Here's your affiliate link. You have to copy and paste it. I already pasted the affiliate link. This is the affiliate link. I copy just it and paste it on here, and then you have to click next, and it will take you to this page here that you can edit post, which means if you have a multiple post on your Instagram, individually you can add a different affiliate link, guys. I'm gonna show you how. So what you have to do, click this one called next, and it will take you to this page. Here, this is your link for your link in bio tools. and this is finish. So you have to click this one, finished. Now what you do, that it will bring this one here, that you can see all the posts are here, all two posts here also linked, which means I already copy and paste a CPA affiliate link on that. Now this is the post, I didn't post any link. So what you have to do, click this post, and here what you do, go to your Max Bounty or any affiliate network, copy that and put it on here, copy and paste the link, and what you do, click this one called add link to bio, and it will automatically add the affiliate link into that post. Now what you have to do after you done that, this is the click to save, and this is a shortened link, copy that and it will take you here. Now this is the link in bio tool section. So if you see here, if you hover over all the posts, it will able to click that. So you can click this one, it will take to that affiliate offers. So what that means is, if we use this link in bio tools, if you have a multiple posts, you can add a different CPA link for that. Here and here you can add different CPAs offers. So you can add a different gift card like a Google, or you can add PayPal gift card, and you can add the CPA links. This is the important part, because you can't do that with other link in bio tools. Now what you have to do now, after you've done that, copy this link in bio tools, share the link, copy that, go to your Instagram account, you can put it there in the bio section. Now what you have to do, just copy that link and go to all the social media like Twitter. On here what you can do is click to it and say get your free Amazon gift card, right? Something like that. So you can paste the link, then you can put hashtag like a free gift cards, something like that, right? And if you click to it, and without any issue, your tweet will be tutored. Otherwise Twitter will block your affiliate link, guys. So if you promote your CPS offers directly on Twitter, they will definitely block that. But if you use these tools that you can see here, if they click it, and it will take to this landing page, and they can click multiple different offers, and they can, as they sign up for it, you get paid for that. Now I'm going to show you a couple of other social media. You can repeat the same thing with that. So number one, I already talked about, is called Instagram. Second one is Twitter, and third one is Tumblr, that you can see lots of people promoting free gift card offers here. And here's another one, Pinterest, Facebook, and Parlay are the number one, a couple of examples that you can use it today to promote the one single offers, guys. All you have to do is go to Latercom, and you can upload multiple CPS offers on the different posts. So in order to work this, in order this method to work, you need to have two things. You need to have an Instagram account, and you need to have a Later.com. So both of them are free. So what you have to do, create an Instagram account, upload multiple posts on that, and then use the Later.com to individually add a CPA link on that. Then you can share the link in bio URLs, this one on your Pinterest, on your Instagram account. Then you can use the same link to promote CPS offers on all the social media like this one. So you can keep doing that every single day, promote multiple offers, and again use hashtags. That's the important part. If you want to get notified, what you have to do, post 3 to 4 times per day on all the social media, 3 to 4 times per day, guys, and using all the hashtags, or use a different hashtag in each post. You will require less than 10 minutes to post per post on all the social media. So keep doing that. So when you start to get notified from all the social media, you can make $100 per day or more from CPA marketing. Once you get your enough money, you can withdraw that using Max Bounty payout method, or you can use from, and you can get paid in PayPal for other network, guys. So I hope you understand. So lots of people are asking me to make videos on CPA marketing. So this is a video. You can use Instagram and Later.com to promote multiple CPS offers. Then you can use the URLs to put those on all other social medias, and you can get a free organic traffic. The key is consistency and keep uploading every single day. Just one post never going to happen nothing. So what you have to do is keep posting every single day. In the initial stage you won't get notified, you won't get any click, you won't get any visit, but some of your posts will start to get notified. That brings enough view to your profile. From that they click different offers and if they sign up for it, you get paid for that. So I hope you guys understand this video. If you really like this video, subscribe, like and share this video. Also like this video and leave me the comment section if you want me to make videos on certain topics. Until that, have a good day. See you next video guys.